So today we are going to start with the plate tectonic and understanding of this plate tectonic in much better form and the earlier basics will help you to understand in the better way your geosyncline, isostasy, and another class that your 2.5-hour class will be also from the today in the evening. I said that it is for the landforms. Like I said that different kind of river landforms, karst landforms, and glacial landform, coastal landforms. So especially if I say that the river landform, wind landform, that is an Avian landform, it will also help you to understand. I said that together with the cycle of erosion given by Davis, Pank and all. So this topic I said that one side when you are understanding plate tectonic, your geosyncline approach, your approach for isostasy will become stronger and stronger. And then on the other side when you are understanding the landforms, your cycle of erosion, and when your cycle of erosion along with slope development become good, you will be good at interpreting and writing better answer for erosional surfaces and denudation chronology. Means in the next 5 or 6 days around your this I said paper 1 geomorphology section will get over. When you studying correlated form here and there, and don't take different topics as in a different topic. Most of the topics are very highly correlated. And I said today, I said that plate tectonic concept. Plate itself means lithosphere, and it is made up of crust plus upper solid matter. And tectonic means construction or destruction along the plate's margin due to plate movement under the geomorphic forces involved, like convectional current of magma, slab pull, and ridge push. I said that construction or destruction along the plate's margin due to plate movement under the geomorphic forces involved, like I said, convectional current of magma. Generally students is studying about convectional current of magma is the only force involved, but the force involved is like also I said not only convectional current of magma, but you know that two more forces are there. It is an I said slab pull, and as we have covered in the last classes, like I said that continental drift theory given by Wegener was not able to give, I said that satisfied mechanism for the, I said that plates movement or continent movement, and that has been given by whom? I said There he has utilized which are the forces? Yes, tell me. Yes, tidal force, gravitational force, buoyancy force, and centrifugal pseudo force. So he has given these four forces, but these four forces are not responsible for what, as I said, that for plates movement. But in the 1960s to 70s, I said that from the 1960s to 70s, especially I said that Tujo Wilson in 1965, and I said that Morgan Pichon in 1968 helped in propounding plate tectonic theory. Understood? So let us see. Actually, first we understand what is a plate and what is I said that tectonism, little bit idea about it. Now if we see, generally if I say that Earth is like, I said that simple, this is I said that crust, this is I said that this is core, and this is the deeper part, mantle, and whose depth is around 2900 kilometer, and there is very thin crust. We know that there are the two types of crust we have. Before coming into one, it is an oceanic crust, and another I said that there is another crust, as I said, continental crust. Two types of crust are there. Oceanic crust, if I say that is around, you can say 6 to 7 kilometer thick, and continental crust that you can say 35 to 45 kilometer thick. This oceanic crust 6 to 7, but it is attached with this oceanic crust, which I am saying that it is attached with, I said that this oceanic crust is attached with upper solid mantle. This is upper solid mantle. It is attached to the which one I said that? Upper. This upper solid mantle says that, so this is in a crust and this is in a upper solid mantle. So the total become plate. Now the crust 6 to 7 and upper solid mantle thickness is around 50 to 60 kilometer. 50 to 60 kilometer. On the basis of that, we can say like that our oceanic plate become around 60 kilometer thick, because plate is made up of crust plus upper solid mantle. So our oceanic plate become 60 kilometer thick, and continental plate became, this is 35 to 45 and this is 50 to 60. So the continental plate, which is thicker, it becomes around, I said that 100 kilometer thick. So the oceanic plate is, I said that 60 kilometer thick and 100 kilometer thick. continental plate. So just below oceanic crust there is a solid, upper solid mantle is also attached. So when it is attached, that is including making the actually plate. The actual plate is what? Made up of crust plus upper solid mantle, that is known as lithosphere. Now, if I am saying that, I say that around our earth come into existence around 4600 million years ago. Our earth came into existence around 4600 million years ago. And at the time everywhere volcanic eruption was taking place. Everywhere volcanic eruption was everywhere. And through this volcanic eruption, so it is like a molten magma is there, and upper surface lava, and volcanic eruption keep on happening. And through this volcanic eruption, I said that there is water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, hydrogen sulfide, and different gases are coming out. Which are the gases I said? Water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and I said hydrogen sulfides. These gases are coming out, and slowly and slowly out of these gases, especially water vapor, you know that water vapor along with some other gases converted into cloud, and they causes torrential rainfall. So from the 4600 million years to 3900 million years, so for around 700 million years this phenomenon was happening. So for around 700 million years what is happening? Rainfall was continued, and then slowly and slowly our upper portion of earth has been solidified. Upper portion of or upper parts, better say upper portion of earth has been solidified. So after the solidification, if we'll see, after the solidification, this is the earth, and when it started solidifying, the portion has been some portion got, I said, depressed, and some portion got comparatively uplifted. So the second stage what happened during the solidification, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे exaggerated form है, क्योंकि you know that the radius of the earth is like 6400 kilometer, and the depth of the ocean, it is on an average it is 4000 meter, means 3790 meter. But यहाँ पे depth बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. And then the portion which has been, then solidification के बाद two things हुआ. One, it is, I said, that depressed region created. One, the region which is created is, I said, that depressed region. Another which has been created comparatively uplifted region. the two region has been created. One is depressed region has been created